friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are talking curbside deals that include a ton of freebies for Crest White Strips, Tide, Olay. It's just fantastic. We have a great week with multiple stacking boosters, and yeah, there's nothing better than the cost of free. So we are doing this curbside, and what that means is that you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, ordering it, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. Now, alternatively, if you are the kind of shopper that wants to be in store, the video is up from yesterday. You might want to check it out. I'll leave it at the end linked. And there's lots of sensible deals. Remember, in store with Register Rewards, curbside is Walgreens cash alone. For this weird and goofy P&G deal, I believe in store it's to spend $35 to earn back a $10 register reward. So just keep that in mind. Sometimes the middle of the week, the register reward will stop printing, and also it might not scan at the register. So Aunt Rach is suggesting you do this deal specifically curbside because it's easier. Let's get right into this with deal number one. For this one, you need a couple best friends loaded, a 7-back when you spend $35. You might not have it, but if you do, it just makes this deal a little better than that $5 on any. So hopefully you got some boosters rocking and rolling for you. So this one, and then you're also going to need this friend loaded, which is a 5-back when you buy 3 P&G dental care products. So that's the one that the two that you'll have to have loaded for this deal. Now, with this promotion, you actually don't need to load a booster, which is really bizarre, but it's to spend $45 to earn back $15 in Walgreens cash. So that is quite spectacular. So for this basket, we're going to be grabbing 3 of the Olay body washes at $8 a pop. So that's $24. And you are going to load the 7 off of 3 digital coupon. Also going to toss in 3 of these Crests. Alternatively, you can grab the Oral-B toothbrushes for $3.50. 5 off of 3, and it's working with that promotion of $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3 of these. We're also going to grab a Tide liquid for $10.99 with a $3 digital. If you want to grab the Tide Pods, go for it, but just make sure that the one that you're grabbing has that itemized 15 back when you spend $45, because that is really important. And then just to show you guys our gorgeous little chorus line. Now, the MAR 15 and MAR 20 not applying to this anymore. So they got smart all of a sudden. So if you were going to try to use those codes, don't. And then just to save myself the headache, to make this basket completely free, I opted not to use a discount code with it. I'm sure WAG10 might work, but I didn't even go for that. So the overall total is $45.49. Free curbside pickup, tax, $15 of coupons melting off. With your debit card, pay $33.22, and you're getting back $32 back. 7 for the booster, 15 for the promotion, 5 for buying the Olay, and then 5 for buying the Crest, making this free. Not factoring in the tax, a small moneymaker, but what a deal. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're juggling various boosters with this deal. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2. And for this one, you need this friend loaded, a 15-back when you buy 45 in P&G dental care. So load that little friend. And there's another promotion running in the same time, which is to spend $50 to earn back $15 on some of these products. And then this little friend, the 7-back when you spend $35 if you might have it. Remember, this is of a one-time use, so pick and choose wisely how you wish to use it. Okay, so we are going to throw in one of these Crest white strips for $39.99. That is a little bit of money. I'm not going to deny it. And we have a $10 digital, so load that little friend. And you got to really make sure that the promotions are right below it as well. And then we're going to throw in one of these 3D whitening pens for $24.99. There's another $10 digital, so load that friend as well. And hopefully you can track down the stuff that I'm talking about for this video if you like to whiten your teeth. Now, just to show you, 10 MAR 20 is actually working with this, and then an additional 10. You're working with 2 promotions for this. Spend $50 to earn back $15, and then the spend $45 to earn back $15. And the 2 are giving you $30 back with all the rest of the magic. So The overall total here is $64.98. Subtracting $20, you're at $55.98. So you're still at that threshold. $20 in digital coupons melting off. You're getting back $37, not factoring in the tax. It's basically free. And remember, do not use any Walgreens cash. Use your debit or credit card to pay down the balance. But how lovely is this basket? Okay, so the final deal that we're looking at is deal number 3. You need this friend loaded. And remember, this is of a one-time use, this 5-back on any. But since we're using it with other boosters for the balance, you're going to have to use your debit card. I'm just going to let you guys know that right off the bat. There's a promotion that's working both in-store and online. It's to spend $25. I believe this is month-long, too. $25 on various select beauty care products to earn back $10 in Walgreens cash. So make sure you have this one loaded. And for the balance for this one, use your debit card just to be smart. So for this one, we're going to grab a host of products, some favorites, hopefully. We have the L'Oreal Elvive. And I noticed something interesting when I was putting this order together. They're very much limiting you how many you can buy. And it's for my stores now, it's one of each. They're not letting you get like 2 shampoos, which is really odd. But they're $5.49 each, so perhaps a shampoo and conditioner. And then we're going to throw in 2 of the Dove Deep Moisture body washes for $16. And both of these products are deemed as beauty. Alternatively, guys, I know there's lots of deals with other cosmetics that have coupons. You can do that as well. Whatever you want to do. So just to show you guys, using the code WAG10, we're saving a big 80 cents. We have the 5 off of 2 melting off for Dove, and then we have a 3 off of 2 manufacturer for the L'Oreal Elvive, so that isn't bad. And just to show you guys, the overall total for this magic is $26.98. Subtracting WAG 20, we're at $26.18. So we're still at our $25 threshold, so that's okay. $8 in digitals melting off, so you're going to pay $19.68 with your debit card, and you're getting back $15. $5 for that weird goofy booster, and then $10 for buying $25 in beauty products. And remember, do not use Walgreens cash as it might monkey things up. But this isn't a bad little basket for a little bit of shampoo. And I would preferably do this one as well curbside, because that register reward, will it print, won't it print? It's just a kettle of fish and some problems sometimes with those store coupons. And then the cashiers give you a tough time what you can buy with them too. But with Walgreens cash, you can buy anything. That's it for this video. Yesterday's video is linked right here. Check it out, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.